So now we are here on Upwork. So if you are looking to select your niche, one way you can do it, the simplest way for you to start is for you to come here and look at these different categories. This is really helpful to kind of identify the niche where you belong or the things that you can do as a freelancer, guys. So let me click on development and IT. This is a big category, it's a giant category on IT. So here you can see there are different trusted remote development and IT experts. Now you can see under the development and IT category, you can see different sets of freelancers. You can see Java developers, PHP developers. These are subcategories of that big category, which is the development and IT. So you can see infrastructure engineer, SQL engineer, data scientist. So you have multiple categories. So you can see more skills here. If you want to see more skills, you can see development and IT category. So let me just zoom in there. All right. So we have development. We are still under development and IT rules. All right. Data analysts. You can see here data analyst rules. You can see cross-functional rules, .NET developers, Android developers, and so on. So you see the different areas that Upwork has already listed for you. So development and IT projects, right? AI and machine learning. So you see the different categories. So you have to, first of all, come here and do your research. All right, come here and do your research to find out exactly which category you need to work on. All right, so let's go to AI services as another category, because this is also like a big category now. AI is a big area that you people are going into. So if you are trying to start your IT career or maybe software development career, AI is a big area that I think should be very interesting for you to jump into. So here you can see you can get advice from consultants, but you can see different people that have different skill sets. For instance, AI consultant and so on. So let's see freelancers, hire the right freelancers. This is a chatbot developer. This can tell you, see the title, this is the headline. It's a chatbot developer, AI content creator, AI model developer. So you see different people. You can also look at different talents in this area. So now you can see the different talent. Now look at what happens. When I clicked, what did I do? I clicked on the see all talents, right? So here you can see the different talents that are here. You can filter. You can filter by top rated plus rising talent. So you can see which one. But also you can go to see the jobs that are available in this area. Do you see? You can actually go and see the jobs. You can even come here and select a category, which category you want to go into. All right. So you can see there are so many things that you can do to search, because you have to do your research to see which categories have high demand. Now, when you look at jobs for AI, you will see the top categories here. You can select, let's say you want to see top rated plus people. So you can see data entry, B2B lead generation. So this is like mixed up, really. It's not like focusing on AI alone, but you can see all of these things. But now I have selected one filter. Now let's look at jobs. All right. Now when you look at jobs, you see entry jobs. You have, this is about 17,000 jobs. If you can see there, they have entry jobs which are 17,500. You have about 70,000 jobs that are 70,000 jobs that are over 70,000 jobs that are intermediate. Experts, you have 47,000. So you can see there are so many jobs, guys. So many jobs. There are so many jobs. So we are going into the details here. So what did I do? I just clicked on AI, right? I went from this AI tab, and then I looked at more entries. Then it took me to that category. I don't want to move away from what we are trying to do, the main focus here. All right. So now find trusted talent with the AI skills you need. Now, AI specialist, AI artist, AI chat. So you see the different categories here, as you can see, guys. So you just need to come here, you search, and then see which area you have a specialty in, and then use that to create your skill set. All right. So you have to have a category, the specific category. So when you have listed, the idea is basically when you have listed all the things that you can do, now you need a category under which you want to put those skills. All right. So you can now come here and look at these categories that we have here to put your skill set. Maybe you can have 2 or 3 categories, and then you can create up to 2 or 3 specialization. Upwork actually allows you to be, for instance, for myself, I can be a product management specialist. I can also be a project management specialist, and I can be an agile team lead specialist. So I can create like 3 profiles if I want. I can even create a Jira specialist because I know how to use Jira, I know how to configure it. So I can use that as a specialist, and that is also a role. Somebody can hire me as a Jira specialist to manage their Jira boards. So you see what I'm saying? So these are things that you can come here and see. So let's come to the design. Yeah, the design and creative. If you click on design and creative, you will see that you will see the different specializations that are available here. Specialized design and creative experts you can count on. Now you have UI UX designers, you have graphics designers, you have art directors, web designers, motion designers. So these are all specialists that are available. So even under the design category, you don't just call yourself I am a designer. Which type of designer are you? So you need now to come, whether you are doing animation, you are doing video editing, voice artists, and so on. You can see more categories here. If you click on see more skill sets, you can come to the bottom and see the roles that are available. 3D designers, you have all the different roles that are available there. So guys, I don't need to go over all of these. The most important thing that you need to understand is the roles and categories, they are already here. Now, the next thing is for you to determine which of these jobs that are in high demand. All right. That is really important. How do you know that? I touched on that just now, but I want to show you more. So now let's go to administration. So now I'm going to click on this part, which is admin and customer support. So if I click on it, let's see what that looks like. All right. By the way, there are more areas here. So you can go here, you see, for instance, administrative work, you have like virtual assistant, data entry specialist. So let's say data entry specialist, right? That's what we want to look for. More talent. So see talent, this one. So you can click on the AI tab and then it takes you to the more talent area. So there I create a new tab, right? So here on this particular tab, you can actually search for what you are looking for. If you are looking for a specific type of category, you can just search for it at the top here, or you can actually come to the jobs tab here. Now there are different categories here of search. Now you have let me go again. So you have the talent badge search. You can select by talent badge. You can select by location. Maybe you are looking for someone from categories specifically for African Americans or whatever country you are looking for. You can come and search for it, or you can come for talent type. So freelancers and agencies, whatever you are looking for, you can search, or you can come to the categories, right? So you can look at the categories. Are you looking for consulting, accounting and consulting, admin support? You can look at all the categories. So you can search talent by talent, or you can search by job.